Hello, I'm Jim Starr and welcome to Lecture 12 of the Mastering AI Prompts course. We're diving into the exciting world of AI-powered blogging. Get ready to unlock a new level of content creation. Today, we're focusing on GPT-4, a powerful tool that can revolutionize your blogging game. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey. Imagine effortlessly generating engaging blog posts, brainstorming creative ideas, and optimizing your content. That's the power of GPT-4. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, this AI assistant can save you time, boost your productivity, and take your blog to new heights. No more writer's block or endless hours spent on research. In this hands-on lecture, we'll walk you through the process of creating a blog using GPT-4 and Google Docs, a free and accessible platform. You'll learn how to set up your blog, format it like a pro, and discover trending topics that resonate with your audience. We'll also cover essential aspects like updating your blog consistently and incorporating affiliate links to monetize your content. By the end of this lecture, you'll have the knowledge and tools to launch your own AI-powered blog and captivate the online world. So, let's begin. Before we unleash the power of GPT-4, let's lay the foundation for your blog. Think of this as building a house. We need a solid structure before we can decorate. First things first, you'll need a Google account. If you already have one, awesome. If not, it's super easy and free to create. Head over to google.com and click on Sign In. Then, click on Create Account and follow the simple instructions. Once you're in the Googleverse, you'll have access to a treasure trove of free tools, including Google Docs, our blogging platform of choice. Now let's open a new Google Doc. Go to your Google Drive or simply type docs.new into your browser. A fresh, blank document awaits. Your digital canvas for blogging brilliance. Think of this as your blog's backend, where the magic happens before you share it with the world. Don't worry about making it look fancy just yet. We'll cover formatting in the next section. For now, let's focus on getting that Google Doc set up and ready for the amazing content you're about to create with GPT-4. Stay tuned. Congratulations! You've officially entered the world of Google Docs. It might seem simple at first glance, but don't underestimate its power. This free tool is about to become your blogging best friend. Let's get acquainted with its user-friendly interface. At the top, you'll find the toolbar with familiar icons for formatting text, inserting images, and more. Play around with them. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can always undo any changes with a simple Ctrl+Z or CMD+Z for Mac users. Now that you have your Google Doc ready, it's time to give your blog post some structure. Think of this as building the framework of a house. Headings and subheadings act as the walls and beams, organizing your content and guiding your readers through your ideas. In Google Docs, you can easily create headings and subheadings using the drop-down menu on the toolbar. It usually says Normal Text by default. Click on it to reveal a list of formatting options. Choose Heading 1 for your main title and Heading 2, Heading 3, and so on for subheadings. Let's talk about visual hierarchy, using different formatting elements to create a clear path for your readers' eyes to follow. Think of it like this. You wouldn't read a magazine article that was just one big block of text, right? You'd be overwhelmed. Beyond headings, Google Docs offers a variety of formatting options to make your blog visually appealing. Bolding keywords, italicizing for emphasis, and using bullet points for lists are all effective ways to break up text and highlight important information. Now that your blog is set up and beautifully formatted, it's time to brainstorm some captivating content ideas. The key is to find topics that are relevant to your niche and resonate with your target audience. But how do you know what's hot and what's not? Luckily, we live in a digital age filled with tools and resources to help us uncover trending topics. Think of it like panning for gold. You need to sift through the noise to find those precious nuggets of inspiration. Now that you have a good understanding of trending topics in your niche, it's time to unleash the creative power of GPT-4 to generate winning blog post ideas. This AI assistant is like having a brainstorming partner on demand, ready to help you come up with fresh and engaging content. Start by feeding GPT-4 a few keywords related to your niche and the trending topics you've uncovered. For example, if your niche is digital marketing and you've noticed a trend around social media advertising, you might input keywords like social media marketing, Facebook ads, and Instagram marketing tips. So you've published your first few blog posts. Congratulations! It's a big accomplishment. But the journey doesn't end there. In fact, it's just the beginning. To build a successful blog, you need to be consistent with your content. Think of it like watering a plant. Regular nourishment is essential for growth. But how often should you publish new content? There's no magic number, but aiming for at least once a week is a good starting point. This frequency keeps your blog active and gives your audience a reason to keep coming back for more. Consistency builds trust and establishes you as a reliable source of information in your niche. Now that you understand the importance of consistency, let's talk about how to actually make it happen. Life gets busy, and it's easy to let blogging fall by the wayside when you're juggling multiple commitments. That's where a content calendar comes in. Think of it as your secret weapon for staying organized and on track with your blogging goals. A content calendar is simply a visual representation of your planned blog posts, outlining the topic, publication date, and any other relevant details. You can create one using a simple spreadsheet, a project management tool, or even a good old-fashioned wall calendar. You've poured your heart and soul into creating valuable content. Your blog is thriving, with readers eagerly consuming your every word. Now, imagine getting rewarded for your hard work while providing genuine value to your audience. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing involves partnering with businesses and promoting their products or services on your blog. You earn a commission for every sale or action, like a sign-up or download, that comes through your unique affiliate link. It's like being a digital matchmaker, connecting your readers with products or services they'll love. Now that you understand the power of affiliate marketing, let's talk about how to seamlessly integrate affiliate links into your blog posts without sounding pushy or salesy. The key is to be transparent and weave your recommendations naturally into your content. When you mention a product or service that you're an affiliate for, clearly disclose this to your readers. You can use phrases like, "This post contains affiliate links," or "As an affiliate, I earn a commission from qualifying purchases." Transparency builds trust and ensures that your readers are aware of the relationship. Congratulations! You've reached the end of Lecture 12 in our Mastering AI Prompts course. You've journeyed from AI novice to content maestro, armed with the knowledge to transform your blogging game with GPT-4. Remember that feeling of staring at a blank page, unsure of where to begin? Those days are over. We've covered it all, from setting up your blog on Google Docs to formatting like a pro, uncovering trending topics, and even monetizing your content with affiliate marketing. You now hold the keys to unlock a world of creative possibilities. But the learning doesn't stop here. The real magic happens when you take action, experiment, and find your unique voice in the vast digital landscape. Keep refining your GPT-4 prompts, exploring new tools and techniques, and most importantly, never stop creating. If you're eager to dive deeper and unlock even more blogging secrets, be sure to download our comprehensive beginner's guide. Just leave a comment below saying, "Send me the guide," and we'll deliver it straight to your inbox. Happy blogging!